So David, what were your reasons for putting on this open house?
One of the main reasons was because we could. We've got this lovely clean facility, lots of space, and all our machines set up with nice demos on, and it seemed like a really good idea to get people in front of the machines actually to see what we can do.
It's really encouraging to hear, and I know I've had quite a few people say to me that they're very pleased that you're doing this. What's the success been like though?
It's been good. It's not felt like a normal open house, and that's been the challenge. Although it's been on 3 days, because we wanted to keep the area relatively clear, we've spread it over 5, and we've also done a surprising number of remote demos as well. So we've kind of missed that open house buzz, but I'd still say it's been a really successful, positive week.
Would you say engineers have wanted to get out and about? Have they commented and said, you know, this is what we want. We want to come to showrooms. We want to see machines in action. We want to learn.
Yeah, definitely. You can look at a brochure and pictures and drawings all day, but there's nothing like coming and looking at a machine. And the same is true. It's much better to speak to people in person. And I say we do have the facility here. You know, we want business to get up and running and things to get back to normal. And I think there's a sign that this is a little bit of normality.
What have you done to make sure that they feel comfortable here?
So every visitor has had their own pen to sign the book. They've had Hurco branded face mask. We've brought groups in. We've spread out the day from morning till evening, so visits are staggered. Customers have had they've had to help themselves to their own coffee. We've had individually packed sandwiches, sanitising stations everywhere. And we've also gone round in small groups. So an applications guy and a sales guy have been allocated to every visitor. And it's worked very well.
Even so, you've sold machines, haven't you? So well you've sold machines?
Yes, certainly. So we've been offering every machine that's on demo here at an ex-demo deal. The main offering's been delivery free of charge, but we've tried to package up to suit what's required. And certainly 4 machines have sold that are on demo today have sold at the show.
And based on your experience, you're probably going to do one again maybe in the next few months. Not sure when, but...
Yes, we are. Normally we do a Christmas open house. I think with the current restrictions, we'd be uncomfortable about doing the supplier village that we normally do. Our plan is to look at something towards the end of January, and hopefully things will be back to normal a little bit, and there's certainly potential to do more.